usually do a clearing of myself before I start. Yay! This is my goddess bath ritual. I do this about 3 times a week, and I'm gonna share the whole process with you today. So first I start with dry brushing. I'm not sure if any of you have heard about this. It is amazing for lymphatic drainage. It's incredible for the circulation of the body. So before I begin a bath, I do dry brushing while I'm filling up the bath. Second is I have tons of different types of salts. Today I'm gonna choose, this is in the Magic Vibes line, the I Am Renewed bath salts. I also always love to add an oil to the bath so that it gives off an even more powerful smell. I love having selenite wand inside my bath because it just helps clear any of the energy as well. I also brought my little tangerine with me because I like to eat in the bath. Sometimes in the morning I'll have a Rice Krispie treat and coffee. Today it's a tangerine, and I'll light a candle. I may say a prayer, and then I always light an incense stick. Incense is so magical, and I just let it work with me and work on me the whole time that I'm in the bath. And then I like to spritz a little cologne, which is a very old, think Egypt, think way back in bath rituals, so that I'm done with my ritual and I feel so just rich. My whole body feels nourished, my whole mind, everything about me feels like I've received. And this is the final touch for my goddess bath. And now it's waiting for me, so you gotta go and I'm gonna get in. Have an amazing day.